Are there any over-the-counter medications or supplements that can help alleviate sulfur burps?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about a rather uncomfortable issue, sulfur burps. These are burps that have an unpleasant rotten egg smell due to sulfur-containing gases in the stomach. While not usually a sign of serious health problems, they can certainly cause distress and embarrassment. Luckily, there are some over-the-counter medications and supplements that might help alleviate the issue. So, let's dive in.
What causes sulfur burps?
Before we jump to the solutions, it's important to understand what causes sulfur burps. Sulfur burps may be caused by certain foods, drinks, or behaviors, such as consuming high-sulfur foods, like garlic, onions, and meats, drinking carbonated beverages, or eating too quickly. They can also be caused by gastrointestinal issues, including gastrointestinal reflux disease, GERD, gastritis, and certain bacterial infections.
Dietary changes to alleviate sulfur burps.
The first line of action to address sulfur burps is often dietary changes. Try to avoid high-sulfur foods and drinks. Drink plenty of water to help flush the system. Eat slower to prevent swallowing excess air, which can lead to burping. Incorporate more fiber into your diet to aid digestion.
Over-the-counter medications.
If dietary changes are not enough, there are some over-the-counter medications that may help. Antacids can neutralize stomach acid and help alleviate symptoms related to GERD or gastritis, which may in turn reduce sulfur burps. Probiotics can balance the bacteria in your gut, potentially reducing the production of sulfur gases. Digestive enzymes can also help break down food more efficiently and may reduce gas production.
When to see a doctor?
Remember, while over-the-counter solutions may help, if your sulfur burps are persistent or accompanied by other symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, or weight loss, it's important to seek medical attention. These could be signs of a more serious condition that needs medical treatment. In conclusion, while sulfur burps can be uncomfortable, they're often manageable with some dietary changes and over-the-counter solutions. Always remember, though, that persistent symptoms should not be ignored and a doctor should be consulted if the problem continues. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to better digestive health.